If you like my content, please like and click on the subscribe button. Click on the drop down and select all to see regular updates.
Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another interesting question. So the question is, you have a table called schedule and you have some columns: task ID, start date and end date. And the rule here is the difference between the start date and end date is always a single day. So start date and end date are always consecutive days. So the question here is, you need to return a table with the output columns as start date and end date, and the start date and end date should show the start date and end period. That means, so if there are consecutive days, that means if start date is here, if you see October 1st and here October 2nd, and start date again here is October 2nd and October 3rd, October 3rd and October 4th. So again there is no October 4th and October 5th. So that's why you need to consider these three rows as a group, and you need to show the start date as October 1st till October 4th, which is what this is. And similarly, these rows, you have 13, 14, 14, 15. You don't have 15 and 16, so you have to show 13 and 15, which is this row. And similarly, 28 and 29, you do not have 29 and 30, so 28 and 29 will form one a row, and again 30 to 31 will form one row. So basically, if whenever there is consecutive days in with the including the end date, then you should show the minimum, you should show the start date and end date of that consecutive days. So hope you all understood the question. So now let's see how to solve this using SQL. So first thing, I'll provide you the DML script as usual in the description of this video. So to solve this, first what I will do, I will create a query. So first I'll retrieve all the start dates, uh, retrieve all the start dates where the start date value is not present in the end date column. That means I'll retrieve October 1st, because October 1st and October, these three rows are in a single group, so I have to retrieve somehow October 1st. So in order to retrieve October 1st, what is the rule? I need to make sure that October 2nd and October 3rd will not come. So how to distinguish between first and second and third? So the only way to distinguish is second and third, October 2nd and October 3rd are already present in end date. Okay, similarly here for these two rows, October 14 is already present in the end date. So what I will do, so select start date from schedule, where start date not in, select end date from schedule. So if I do this, what I'll get, if the start date and end date values are not same, then this query will return all the start dates where there is no value in the end date. So there is no value in the end date. So first it will be written 13, 28 and 30. So if you see here, first is written, 13 is written, 28 and is written, and 30 is written. Similarly, you have to retrieve the end dates also. You have to retrieve these end dates also. So in order to do that, what I'll do, same again, I'll do the same thing. Here I'll just swap start date and end date. So basically, I'll retrieve all the end dates from the schedule table where end date is not present in the start date. So here's 2 and 3 should not be present, but 4 should be coming, right? So 2 and 3 are present in start date. So these values I will not retrieve. So to order to do that, I'll again retrieve only the end dates where the values are not present in the start dates. So again, if I run this, if you see here, 4 is coming, 15 is coming, 29 is coming, and 31 is coming. Now these two uh, are giving us the start date and end date. So now what I have to do, I have to combine them and show it in a single column, single table. So what I'll do, I'll create a CTE with um start as, I think I'll create this as start date as, and this one as end date as. So I have created the CTEs, and now what I'll do the cross join between these two CTEs. Start date S cross join. So we all know what a cross join is. Cross join is nothing but a Cartesian product of these two tables. So select star. So if I do a Cartesian product of these two tables, let's see what we are getting. So we are getting a cross done. So all dates. So first and fourth, 13 and 4, 28 and 4, and 30 and 4. So we all know that start date is always less than the end date. So what I'll do, I'll write a where condition here, where s dot start date is less than e dot end date. And when I run this, what we are getting? We are getting for 10 first row, I mean for October 1st we are getting 4 and 15. For October 13 we are getting 15 again. Okay, let's do an order by 1 comma 2. So order by 1 comma 2 for October 1st you are getting 4, 15, 29 and 31. For October 13, 15, 29 and 31. 28 you are getting 29, 28 you are getting 31, 30 you are getting 21. But if you see, this is the output, right? So for October 1st it should be only 4, and for October 13 it should be only 15. These two rows should be eliminated, and here these three rows should be eliminated. And for October 28 it should be only 29. Only this row should be eliminated. This row should be present, and this row should be eliminated. And again for 30 to 31 it is. So now what? So so okay, let's create one more row number to understand better. Over order by end date. Okay, partition by start date. Order by end date as Rn. So if I run this, let's see what we're getting. So if you see here, we want only first for the first output, first row we want only October 1st till October 4th. So October 1st and October 4th is there, and here Rn is 1. So we need to ignore these three rows, because we want only October 1st and October 4th as output. So 2, 3 and 4 should be ignored. And for again here October 13 and October 15. October 13 is there, for 15 is there. We have to ignore these two rows where Rn is 2 and 3. So again Rn is 1. And again here October 28 and October 29. So October 28, 29, Rn is 1. This row should be eliminated. And again here 30 and 31, Rn is 1. So if you observe carefully here, we need to show rows only when the Rn value is 1. So the row number value is 1, only those rows we should show. So that means we have to apply the where condition. So let's keep one more CTE, comma CTE as this, and after this here select start date, uh, sorry, start underscore date, comma and underscore date from CTE where Rn is equal to 1. Okay, so now if you apply this, are we getting the required output? Yes, now we are getting the required output. 1 and 4, 13 and 15, 28 and 29, 30 and 31. So this is one solution. So otherwise what we can do is, same solution only again. So second method is, instead of using row number, what I will do, I'll just remove this part, and instead of using row number, I'll just use start date, comma minimum of end date. So minimum of end date also will give you the same value, and underscore date, and here it is group by. So this will also give us the same value. So these are the two ways which you can use to get this output. So hope you all understood the question and also the solution. And if you like my videos, please click on the like button so that YouTube will understand that you are enjoying my content, and also click on subscribe button, uh, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.